Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, but I don't know how many people will be here today.
So a lot of them have class today, or they have other engagements.
Yeah.
So what's gonna happen is we're still gonna do the recording so they can watch it.
So it's just only me talking. Or
Actually, there might be one more. Let me just check. Okay.
okay.
They shouldn't happen with the regularity that they've been happening. How a group of student survivors of the Parkland shooting became activists who launched a movement. On WNYC New York, this is on the media. I'm Brooke Gladstone.
And I'm Bob Garfield. The response from the conspiracy theorists to the growing movement? The activists are actually child actors.
By Tuesday, the conspiracy went viral on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. The president's son, Donald Trump Jr., liked 2 tweets.
Yeah, and then someone else was asking about homework today.
Okay. I need to think about it.
Okay, I just text them. So maybe we'll wait like 1 to 2 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
How are you today?
I'm good. Mm-hmm.
天气怎么样？
天气很好，就是有一点冷。
就是有
A
点
little bit cold. Yeah.
没有水吗？不是水吗？水 snow 怎么说？
哦，雪没有雪，没有，因为
下雨了吗？
也没有下雨，
啊，
但是很冷。It's still cold. Yeah.
加州天气很舒服。
Really? 真的吗？
每天是这样的。
哦，对，因为是加州，所以天气应该是。
对啊，我刚刚跟我北京朋友说话了，他说北京的雾霾进步很大。
哦，真的吗？那很好。
对啊。
暑假要回北京，非常期待。
你什么时候回去
？6月。
6月。
6
月初。哦 ，OK。那夏天你在北京吗？
对，我应该会在北京。我在北京。
And then definitely come back to the book club.
Yeah, 肯定 definitely.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like it's just you. So I'll just. It might even be shorter. It might just be you lecturing.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel a little bit awkward to do this, but I'll try. Yeah.
If you want, one thing you can do is you can just do recording of the lecture separately or by yourself, and it'll definitely be shorter because you won't be interacting back and forth. You'll just be explaining the script.
Yeah, I'll just try to go through the script.
Sure.
It's okay.
Yeah. I'll just mute myself so my background noise doesn't go inside. 好的，开始。
开始。Yeah, so today we're going to talk about food and culture. The small talk is about 2 guys, and one is just come back from America. No, just come from America to China, and they're going to have dinner together. So A said, "You must be very tired going from America to China," which is 你从 we've covered 从 which is from 美国 is America 美国来 it's come 来 is come so 从 is from and 来 is come 来到 来到 is also come so 来到 is also come 来到中国 is China and you all know that 肯定很累了肯定 is must be 肯定 is definitely 肯定 is must be 很累 is very tired 累 is tired and 很累 is very tired 所以你从美国来到中国肯定很累了 is you must be very tired going from America to China 晚上 is evening 想 is want we had that last class 吃 is eat 什么 is what so it's what do you want to have for dinner 晚上想吃什么 what do you want to have dinner 晚上想吃什么 and B said I heard that Peking duck is famous let's let's go to eat Peking duck for dinner. Yeah. 所以 B 说 so B said 我听说 is here 听说 is here 听说 is heard of 我听说北京烤鸭 is Peking duck is Peking duck 很有名 is famous 有名 is famous so I heard that Peking duck is famous is 我听说北京烤鸭很有名 is famous 我们晚餐去吃北京烤鸭吧我们 is us 我们 is us 晚餐 is dinner 晚餐 is dinner it's the same as 晚饭 they're both dinner 去 is go which we mentioned last class 吃烤鸭吃北京烤鸭吧 is like eat Peking duck so 我们晚餐去吃北京烤鸭吧 is let's go to eat Peking duck for dinner and I said 太好了
how do you translate the word 吧我们去吧 you know that word 吧 how would you translate that
I think that is just a phonic sound which is the same as I don't know
oh, okay so if you use that term for someone older than you is that disrespectful or is that too informal
I think it's just oral maybe it's not really respectful but you can't do that I mean
okay
it isn't really disrespectful it's just,
okay or it's not too informal
yeah it's just oral
okay
it just comes naturally when you're saying a sentence 我们去北京烤鸭吧 yeah it's just very natural yeah.
okay thank you
and 太好了 is great 太好了 is great 太 is like two and 好 is good so great is 太好了 so they came to the restaurant and he said you order which is like water is 点餐 water is 点餐 点餐 is water so 你来点餐吧 it's you order 你来点餐吧来 is like come like to do something I think 来 is like to do something here 你来点餐吧 and A said 服务员 because we often call waiter 服务员 in China so when you're going to call waiter you usually say 服务员 but I don't really do that because I don't think it's a good way to call waiters so sometimes I just say 您好 or excuse me and 您好 is like hello or excuse me sometimes I just say that to have the waiter to come to our table so but 服务员 is waiter 服务员 is waiter 请 is please 请 is please 来 is to give us like 来一只北京烤鸭 but 只 is also the number word is the thing that you have to is the word that you have to character that you have to put after the number so 一只北京烤鸭 is Peking duck so I want a Peking duck is 请来一只北京烤鸭再 is more 再 is more sorry 再 is more 来点应季配菜来点 is like some a little bit 点 is like some a little bit so that's 应季 is seasonal 应季 is seasonal and 配菜 is like side dishes so 再来点应季配菜 is and some seasonal dishes please and some seasonal dishes please yeah and the waiter will usually ask you 服务员一般会问你服务员通常会问你您需要什么饮料吗您需要什么饮料吗您 is the respectful form of 你 it's to be if you want to be polite, you use 您 instead of 你. So 您需要 is need. 需要 is need. 您需要什么 what? 饮料吗？饮料 is drink. 饮料 is drink. So it's do you want anything to drink? 您需要什么饮料吗？ But 饮料 is a noun. It's not a verb. 饮料 is a noun. So it's like, do you need any drink? Instead of, do you need any drink? And then A asks B, what do you want to drink? 你想喝什么？你想喝什么？ What do you want to drink? Because 你 is you, 想 want, 喝 drink 什么 what? So what do you want to drink? B said, I want a cup of orange juice. It's like, so 给我来杯 is what we usually say is like to give me, because 给 is like give. 给 is like give. So it's like to give me a cup of orange juice. So 给我来杯 is cup. 给杯 is cup. 给我来杯橙汁 is orange juice. So 给我来杯橙汁吧 is I want a cup of orange juice. And the waiter said, okay, do you want something else? So 好的，还有什么别的需要吗？ So 好的 is okay. 还有什么别的需要吗？ Hi is still. And 有 is like have. Like 还有 is more. 还有 is like more. 什么 what? 别的 other. 别的 is other. 别的 is other. 需要 is need. 需要 is need. So but 需要 is also it's a noun here. 需要 is a noun here. So it's like, okay, do you want anything else? 还有什么别的需要吗？没有了，谢谢。No, thank you. And then be asked, do Beijingers often eat Peking duck? 北京人 is Beijing people, which is Beijingers. 经常 often, 经常 normally, usually, 经常 often. 吃北京烤鸭吗 ？Eat Peking duck. 北京人经常吃北京烤鸭吗 ？Do Beijingers often eat Peking duck? And A answered, 我们不经常吃 We don't often eat it. 因为 is because 因为北京烤鸭 Peking duck 比较贵 It's quite expensive. 比较 is quite. 比较 is quite. It can also mean compares. If it's a verb, it can also mean compare if it's a verb. 贵 is expensive. 贵 is expensive. So 比较贵 is quite expensive. Because Peking duck is quite expensive. 因为北京烤鸭比较贵。通常 normally 通常 usually 通常我们 us 我们 we 出去吃出去 is out 出去 is out 出去 is out and 吃 is eat so 出去吃 is eat out 只要 only have 只要只 is only and 要 is have 米饭 is rice 米饭 is rice so 通常我们出去吃只要米饭 is we usually when we eat out we only have rice 或者 is were 或者 is were 其他 is else others 其他作为主食作为主食 is as the main dish. It's like something, yeah, as the main dish. 作为 is as. 作为 is as. And 主食 is the main dish. So 或者其他作为主食 or something else as the main dishes. 和 and 几个like some Ji is like some, and ge is also the number word that goes after the number. 几个配菜 side dishes 和几个配菜 and some side dishes such as 比如 such as 宫保鸡丁 which is the name of the dish. It's chicken cubes with peanuts. 宫保鸡丁 is the name of the dish. So 和几个配菜，比如宫保鸡丁。So this is a bit long, and I'll read it again. 我们不经常吃，因为北京烤鸭比较贵。通常我们出去吃，只要米饭或者其他作为主食和几个配菜，比如宫保鸡丁。And B asks, can you tell me about the difference of food culture between different parts of China? It's so 你 is you, 能 is can, 给 is to give me or to tell me, 给我 is me, me, 讲 to 给 is like 给我 is like to me, 讲 is tell. We said it yesterday. Tell. 中国 China 不同 we also said it yesterday. 不同 is different. 不同 is different. 地区 is places. 地区 is like parts. Yeah, parts. 饮食 is food. And 文化 is culture. 文化 is culture. 的不同吗？的不同 and this 不同 is difference. And it's noun here. And the first 不同 is also it's different and it's an adjective. So the first 不同 is different, which is an adjective. So 你能 which is can you 你能给我 to me 讲 tell 中国 China 不同地区 different parts 饮食文化 food and culture 的不同吗 difference says 你能给我讲中国不同地区饮食文化的不同吗 Can you tell me about the difference of food culture between different parts of China? Yeah, different parts of China. And A said, 没问题, no problem. It's in the first lecture. 中国 China, 主要 it's mainly 主要有 have, has, 有 have, has. 八大菜系, 八 is 8, 大 is big. Or main, 菜系 is cuisine. So 中国主要有八大菜系. So there are many 8 cuisines in China. 命名于起源地区，命名 is named after. 命名 named after. 命名于 is named after. And 命名 is to name something. 命名 is to name, but it's the verb name. 命名于 is named after. 起源 is origin. 起源 is origin. 地区 is places. 地区 is places. So it's 命名于起源地区 named after their places of origin. 我认为 I think 其中最著名的是川菜。其中 is among. 其中 among. 其中 is among. 最著名的 the most famous. The most famous because 最 is most. 最 is most. And 著名 is famous. 著名 is famous. 是川菜 is 川菜和 and 粤菜。 川菜 is Sichuan cuisine and 粤菜 is Guangdong cuisine. So it's like no problem, 没问题。中国主要有8大菜系。There are mainly 8 cuisines in China. 命名于起源地区 named after their place of origin. 我认为 I think the most famous 其中最著名的是川菜和粤菜 are Sichuan cuisine and Guangdong cuisine. 川菜和粤菜。what 是 are 川菜 Sichuan cuisine 和 and 粤菜 Guangdong cuisine. So what are Sichuan cuisine and Guangdong cuisine? 什么是川菜和粤菜 So 川菜 Sichuan cuisine is Sichuan's cuisine. It's the cuisine of Sichuan. Sichuan is a province of China. The Shi is Sichuan, the province of China. 菜系 is cuisine. So 川菜是四川的菜系，而 is and or while is while 粤菜 Guangdong cuisine 是广东和香港的菜系 is the cuisine of Guangdong and Hong Kong. Guangdong is another province of China. 川菜以辣出名，川菜四川 cuisine 以 is famous 以什么什么出名，以 blah blah 以 what 出名 is famous for 以出名 is famous for and 辣 is spicy 辣 is spicy 辣 is spicy so 川菜以辣出名 is 川菜 Sichuan cuisine is famous for its spicy 而 while 粤菜菜式很多样而 is while 粤菜 is Guangdong cuisine and 菜式 is types of dishes 菜式 is types of dishes because 式 is type so 菜式 is types of dishes 很多样多样 is various so 而粤菜菜式很多样 it's while Guangdong cuisine has various type of dishes so 川菜是四川的菜系而粤菜是广东和香港的菜系 cuisine 川菜以辣 it's spicy 出名 famous 而 while 粤菜 Guangdong cuisine 菜式 types of dishes are various 很多样 various 有机会 if I have chance 有 is have and 机会 is chance if I have chance I really want to 我很想 I really want to 都尝试一下 to try both 都 is both 都 is both 尝试 is to try 尝试 is try 一下 is like a little bit it's a little bit so it's like a little bit so 有机会我很想都尝试一下so try or maybe try some yeah maybe not a little bit or some I don't know yeah so 有机会我很想都尝试一下 if I have chance I really want to try both if I have chance I really want to try both 有机会我很想 I really want 都 both 尝试 try 一下有机会我很想都尝试一下 yeah so 可以啊 sure 可以啊 sure it's 我还可以 I can also I still can I can also 带你去带 is to take 带你去 to take you to eat 吃北京传统 is Beijing's traditional 小吃 is snacks 小吃 is snacks so I can also take you to eat Beijing traditional snacks 我还可以带你去吃北京传统小吃 can also take you to eat Beijing traditional snacks 主要是一些点心 mainly are some dim sum mainly are some dim sum. 主要 is mainly 是 are 一些 some 点心 dim sum or dessert 点心 dim sum is the Cantonese way to call dessert, but in Mandarin we said 点心。在北京老城 at Peking 北京 Old Town is 老城 is Old Town 离 is in 有不少 is quite a lot 不少是 quite a lot plenty of snacks 小吃街 street like snack street 卖 sell 传统小吃 traditional snacks yeah, so 在北京老城里 in Beijing Old Town there are 有不少 plenty of 小吃 snacks 小吃街卖传统小吃 plenty of snack street that sells traditional snacks but in Beijing's Old Town there are plenty of snack streets that sell traditional snacks 但 which is also 但是 but 最好 it's better 最好 is better it will be better it's better 有当地人 to have a local 当地人 is local people 当地人 is local people local 做导游 be your tour guide be tour guide as to tour guide 做导游 be tour guide 导游 is tour guide 否则 what else 外国游客 foreign tourists 外国 is foreign and 游客 is tourists 容易 easy 被骗 被 is to be 骗 dumped so 但最好有当地人做导游但最好有当地人做导游 so but it's better 最好 it's better to have local as tour guide 有当地人做导游 what else 否则外国游客 foreign tourists are easy 容易 easy to be 被 dumped 被骗 to be dumped yeah 但最好有当地人做导游否则外国游客容易被骗你要在北京待到什么时候你
for the 骗 in English the better translation is dupe to be dupe yeah
is it like that yeah sorry yeah 你要在北京待到什么时候 how long are you going to stay in Beijing die is to stay 到 till until 什么时候 what time so it's like how long are you going to stay in Beijing 你要在北京待到什么时候 and we said 待到8月底 until the end of August 8月 is August and 底 is the end so 8月底 is the end of August if it's 8月初 it's 8月初 is the start of August so if it's 8月初 it's the start of August yeah 然后 it's then 我坐飞机是 take a plane 回到美国 back to America 然后我坐飞机回到美国 then I'll fly back to America 我待到8月底 until the end of August 然后我坐飞机回到美国 then I'll fly back to the US okay 菜来了 is the food is here 菜来了 菜 is the like food like the dish like the food yeah 来 is come so 菜来了 is the food is here 你尝尝这个尝尝 is to taste 尝尝 is to taste or to try taste or to try 这个 this 怎么样 how is it 菜来了你尝尝这个怎么样 the food is here try this how is it 好吃 is delicious. 好吃 is delicious. 好吃 is delicious. Yeah. 如果 is if. 如果 is if. 你觉得 you think. 你觉得觉得 is also think. 觉得 so UE is 约 so JUE is 觉得 think. 好吃 delicious. 下次 next time. 下次 is next time. 还still 可以看再来再 is more again 来 come again more so it's we can come next time so 如果你觉得好吃 if you think it's delicious 下次还可以再来 we can come next time 下次还可以再来Next time can also come. 服务员 waiter 可以结一下账吗？可以结一下账吗？结账 So can I have the bill please? 结账 is to have the bill. 结账 is have the bill. 结账 is have the bill. 结一下账 it's just an oral expression. It's like let's do it a bit yeah it's just a word expression 结下账 can we have the bill please 可以看 yeah 服务员可以结一下账吗 can we have the bill please and what is it 结账在前台 so normally you pay at the counter table if you're in a Chinese restaurant so 结账在前台 it's at the counter table在 is at 前台 is the counter table so 结账在前台 so it's at the counter table 结账在前台好的 OK 这顿我请了 OK这顿 this meal 顿 is also the number word but you can also use 这顿 as this meal 我请了请了 请 is the short version of 请客请客 to treat so it's my treat 这顿我请了毕竟 after all 毕竟你是客人 you are the guest 客人 guest so okay it's my treat after all you are the guest 好的这顿我请了 it's my treat 毕竟 after all 你是客人 you are the guest yeah 太谢谢了太 is too so 太谢谢了 is thank you so much it's more than thank you it's thank you very much yeah 不用客气 it's no worries 不用客气 no worries yeah I think there are also some important words in the small talk and I'll try to highlight them so I'll just go through it again 你从美国来到中国肯定 must be definitely this is very useful 肯定很累了 very tired 晚上想吃什么 What do you want to have for dinner 我听说 here 我听说 here have heard of 我听说北京烤鸭很有名 very famous 我们去吃北京烤鸭吧 Let's go to eat 北京 duck 太好了 great 太好了 great 你来点餐吧点餐 is water 点餐 is water 点餐 is water 服务员 is waiter 服务员 is waiter 服务员 is waiter 请来一只北京烤鸭再来点应季配菜 and some seasonal dishes please 请 is please 请 is please which is a polite word 请 is please and waiter 您需要什么饮料吗需要 need 需要 need Do you want anything to drink 您需要什么饮料呢您想喝什么 What do you want to drink 给我来杯橙汁吧 I want a cup of orange juice 好的还有什么别的需要吗 Okay do you want something else 别的 other 别的 other Do you want something else 别的 other 没有了谢谢 No thank you 北京人经常吃北京烤鸭吗 Do Beijingers often eat Peking duck 经常 often 我们不经常吃 ，we don't often eat it。因为 is because 北京烤鸭比较贵 ，it's quite expensive， 贵 expensive。通常 normally 我们出去吃，只要我们出去吃 is eat out， 出去 is out，and 吃 is eat， 出去吃 is eat out。只要 only have 米饭 which is rice， 米饭或者 were， 其他 is also other， 其他 is also other。其他 is also other， 作为 as 主食 main dish 和 and 几个配菜 some side dishes， 比如 for example 宫保鸡丁 which is 宫保 chicken 比如 is for Sunday yeah。能给我讲讲中国不同地区饮食文化的不同吗？ Can you tell me about the difference of food culture between different parts of China? 没问题 ，no problem。中国主要有8大菜系，there are many 8 cuisines in China， 命名于起源地区 ，named after their place of origin。我认为其中最著名的是川菜和粤菜。我认为I think， I consider， think。I think， 什么是川菜和粤菜？川菜是四川的菜系，而粤菜是广东和香港的菜系。川菜以辣出名 ，is famous for 以什么出名 ？is famous for 以。is famous for 以什么出名？而粤菜菜式很多样 ，is very various。有机会 ，if I have chance， chance， 有机会，我很想都尝试一下。尝试 is to try， 尝试 is to try。可以啊，我还可以带你去吃北京传统小吃 ，Beijing traditional snack， 主要是一些点心，一些点心，在北京老城里有不少小吃，不少 plenty of， 不少对。plenty of 小吃街卖传统小吃 traditional snack， 但最好有当地人，最好 it's better， 最好 it's better， 最好 it's better， 有当地人做导游，否则 where else？ 否则等于 where else。外国游客容易被骗 ，It's easy for foreign tourists to be duped。how long 你要在北京待到什么时候？待到8月底 ，the end of August。然后我坐飞机 ，I take a flight， 回美国 back to the US。坐飞机 take a flight back to the US。菜来了 ，the food is here。你尝尝这个。try this 孩子怎么样？如果 if 你觉得好吃，下次还可以再来。You can come next time。下次 is next time。下次 is next time。服务员可以结下账吗？结账 is to have the bill。服务员可以结下账吗？ Can I have the bill, please?
You know how we often also say 买单?
Yeah.
Is that very informal? 结单 or 买单?
Yeah, I think you can use both, but I use 结账 more, I think. But I think you're the
结账
yeah, 买单.
Okay.
可以买下单吗？可以买单. I think 买单 is more like when you're doing shopping, you know.
Oh, I see. Okay.
可以买下单吗? I think, but I use 结账 more. I think
结账 Okay.
yeah, they're both acceptable. Yeah, or 买单, they're the same. 买单. Yeah. Waiter, can I have the bill, please? 结账在前台 counter table. 好的，这顿我请了。It's my treat. 我请了。It's my treat. 毕竟 after all. 毕竟 is after all. 毕竟 after all. 你是客人 you're the guest. 毕竟 after all, you're the guest. 太谢谢了 Thank you so much. 不用客气 no worries. Yeah, I think these are important words, I think. Okay, so that's all. And
How do you explain the isha? When do you use isha, or do you have to use isha?
可以结账吗? You don't really have to put it in but it's just it sounds more natural when you're using 一下. 可以结下账吗? Yeah, it's or you can say 可以结账吗, but it's just more natural when you use 一下.
Okay, but isha means a little bit. Like I often hear people say 等一下.
I think 一下 is a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. 等一
Just
下.
like, do it a little bit. Yeah, can I just do it? Yeah, like where it's
Okay.
just a little bit. Just yeah. Mm-hmm.
Do you think for the homework should we have them read these lines maybe?
Yeah, if they want to. Yeah.
I think it would be good because a lot of them missed it. So it might be good if you could assign reading from these lines for the homework, and then we can check their pronunciation.
Yeah, sure. So might just ask them to choose one from the two talks from
Sure.
Instagram today. Yeah, to choose one and to read one. Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good Sunday night.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Sure.